Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add location to WhatsApp status. All right, let's begin. First, open your WhatsApp application. After opening it, go to your updates and tap on Add Status. Select the video or photo you want to upload. Now tap on the sticker icon on the top right. From the stickers menu, select the location option. You will be asked to allow WhatsApp to access your location. Tap Allow while using the app. Next, choose the location you want to add. You can either search for a specific location using the search bar or select one from the suggested list. Adjust the position of the location sticker on your status as needed. Once done, tap Share to post it to your status. So that's basically how you can add location to WhatsApp status. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.